Well, here is to give a nice message, for all of the volunteers that is doing a great and a very important job for all of us.
We realise our sport wouldn't be possible without all your hard work and all your efforts.
We can do what we do without you. You are the unsung heroes of our seasons.
We all appreciate it from driver's point of view, all your hard work.
Without you, there would be no World Rally Championship.
Your work is incredible and I really appreciate it.
And I just want to thank all the marshals and volunteers that are always working for our races.
A big thank you to all the stage marshals.
Thank you to all of our FIA volunteers.
Big thanks to all the volunteers to keeping me safe on the track.
Just wanted to say a massive thank you for keeping us safe.
Thank you for the work to all our volunteers.
You keep us safe and you keep us racing.
Thank you to all the FIA volunteers for keeping us safe while we race.
Thank you for everything you do.
Thank you for all the volunteers.
You keep us safe
and you keep us racing.
The WRC wouldn't happen without you. Thank you.
Thank all the volunteers.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for the work.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for everything you're doing.
Because without you, we cannot be on track.
So I just really wanted to give my deepest thanks for your commitment, your time.
You let the show go on and you're a massive part of our sport. Thank you very much.